Which of the following would be true according to the definition of popular culture mentioned in the third paragraph? Where do we have this reference? The third paragraph refers to several characteristics of popular culture and says that these characteristics are increased availability, mass production, recognizability, and appeal to a large number of people. So we need an answer choice which talks about one or more of these characteristics. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. This example talks about none of these characteristics. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B. In this example, the art form is considered elite. However, this example makes no suggestion about any of these characteristics. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C. This example talks about an art form that is widely recognized. And the third paragraph mentions that recognizability is a characteristic of popular culture. So these works of pulp fiction would be considered popular culture, but this answer choice says that these works will cease to be attributed as popular culture. So this answer choice is not consistent with this definition of popular culture. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. In this example, this art form is enjoyed exclusively by certain social classes, which means that it may not be appealing to a large number of people. So according to this definition of popular culture, this example will not be considered popular culture. However, the passage says that this art form will be considered popular culture. So overall, this answer choice contradicts this definition in the third paragraph. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. In this example, the art form is currently widely mass produced, and the third paragraph mentions that mass production is a characteristic of popular culture. So it is correct to state that this art form or these reproductions that are widely produced are considered popular culture. So this example is consistent with the definition of popular culture. E is the correct answer choice.